The Tesla Model X light show is a programmable feature that allows you to create synchronized sequences of lights, sounds, and falcon wing door movements. Introduced around 2018, it's now a standard feature on Model X vehicles with software version 2024.3 or later. This video will guide you through creating your own light shows as of January 2026. The Tesla Model X light show primarily uses the vehicle's LED exterior lights, which include headlights, taillights, and fog lights. These powerful LEDs can be programmed to display various colors and patterns, creating dynamic visual effects. Interior ambient lighting provides the atmospheric glow inside the cabin. This system illuminates the dashboard, door panels, and footwells with customizable colors that sync with the exterior show, enhancing the overall experience. The vehicle's audio system integrates sound effects and music synchronization. You can use built-in tracks or upload your own audio files to create shows that combine visual effects with synchronized sound for a complete multimedia experience. The signature falcon wing doors add dramatic movement to your light show. These motorized doors can be programmed to open and close in sequence, creating impressive mechanical effects that complement the lighting and sound. All sequences are controlled by the vehicle's central computer, which coordinates timing and execution. For safety, light shows only work when the Model X is parked and unlocked, preventing any operation while driving. You can create light show scripts using Tesla's simple drag-and-drop interface on the touchscreen, or for advanced users through the Tesla API. The API allows programming custom sequences using code, offering unlimited creative possibilities. First, ensure your Model X is parked, unlocked, and in park mode. On the touchscreen, go to Controls, greater than Lights, greater than Light Show. For advanced options, you might need to enable Developer Mode in the Service menu. After accessing the Light Show feature, the next step is selecting your mode. You can choose Basic for simple preset light shows that are ready to use, or Custom to build your own sequence from scratch. In Basic mode, you'll find a collection of pre-made light shows that are easy to select and play. These presets include popular patterns like rainbow effects or holiday themes. Custom mode gives you complete control to create unique light shows. You can design sequences with specific colors, timings, and effects tailored to your preferences. You can also use voice commands to get started quickly. Simply say, "Hey Tesla, start a light show," and the AI will assist in generating a sequence based on your preferences. Once you've selected your mode, you're ready to proceed with designing or choosing your light show. The Tesla Model X will bring your vision to life with its synchronized lights and movements. To design your light show sequence, start by tapping the Add Sequence button on the touchscreen. This opens up options to add different elements to your show. Once tapped, you'll see options to select elements like exterior lights, doors, interior lights, or audio. Each element brings different capabilities to your sequence. For example, selecting exterior lights allows you to choose colors and patterns. Doors enables flap animations, interior lights controls ambient lighting, and audio lets you upload MP3s or use built-in tracks. Use the timeline slider to set durations for effects like fades, strobes, and movements. Simply drag the slider to adjust timing for each sequence element. Finally, drag and drop elements to arrange the sequence in the order you want. This creates the perfect flow for your light show. Now that you've designed your light show sequence, it's time to preview it. Hit Preview to simulate your show without activating the actual hardware. This allows you to see how it looks and sounds before going live. The preview mode runs through your sequence exactly as programmed, letting you check for any timing issues or unexpected effects. Pay attention to battery warnings. If the show would drain too much power, the system will alert you. If you notice problems during preview, you can go back and adjust the timings, colors, or effects. For example, shorten durations or reduce intensity to prevent battery drain warnings. The interface makes it easy to tweak these settings. Once you're satisfied with your creation, save it to one of your 50 available slots. Each saved show is stored locally on your vehicle and can be accessed anytime. Give it a descriptive name to remember what it does. Sharing is easy. Upload your saved show to Tesla's community forum, where other owners can download and enjoy it. Alternatively, export it as a file to share directly with friends or back up your creations. Previewing ensures your show is perfect, saving preserves your work, and sharing lets the community enjoy your creativity. You're now ready to execute your light show safely and spectacularly. Ensure no one is near the doors before starting. Tap play on the touchscreen to begin. The vehicle will perform the programmed sequence, activating lights and doors. You can stop the show at any time using the touchscreen or a voice command. For an easy introduction, start with presets like Rainbow Doors, which are energy efficient.